What's going on YouTube and cryptocurrency family? My name is Harry, and wait, other corner, and I am the crypto vet. I'm currently in Raleigh, North Carolina. This is where I grew up. I was helping my mom come visit some family, and so I'll be here a couple more days, but then I will be back. Good news, I got the new 3-pack of the Ledger Nano S's, so I will be giving away some of those in my coming videos. So please stick around. If you like my content, please hit the like button. If you don't, hit the subscribe, and then tell me why you don't like it in the comments. Then you never have to come back, okay? But without further ado, let's go ahead and get started, and let's go ahead and zoom in on the coin market cap and let's see what's going on. Lots of red today. I know that we were close to 10.9 and now we're down to 10.4 on Bitcoin. XRP is down to 23 cents, and I'll go ahead and show you my trade on XRP today as well. I know Uniswap's been on a lot of people's minds. It is down here, currently trading at $4.26. To everybody who did get the Uniswap, wonderful. I don't really see very much point in the governance token. I think they were just kind of hopping on a bandwagon. That's just my opinion. Like I said, I don't fully understand DeFi yet. I'm reading on it every single day to get more and more understanding, and now I'm starting to get into a little bit of the programming of it. So who knows? Maybe I'll start doing a lot of programming and things with blockchains, but I just wanted to make sure I had a thorough understanding. I sold half of my Uniswap at I think right around $8 or high sevens. Turned it all into Ethereum, put it right onto the ledger because I'm trying to build up to 32 so I can stake Ethereum with ETH 2.0. And I still have 200 Uni. And right now, just with the FUD, I'm kind of wishing I had sold all 400, but it was free money, so, and I don't know where it's going to go, and I still needed time to look at it. So Melody convinced me to just do half and trust my gut and just see, because based off the numbers, total coin supply as well as other things, I mean, it could go and hold around 10 to 15 in another hype cycle. So that's what I am hoping for at the moment. But in today's video, we're going to talk about Bitcoin and XRP specifically and where the market is going. And I'm also going to bring up something that I brought up in one of my last videos, and I know a lot of people who are copying my trades and stuff are doing really, really well right now, and I appreciate all the praise and things in the Discord. If you're not in the Discord, please hop in, completely free. You'll see my trades, my updated charts as I do them. Currently right now, not as updated as I'd like, only because of me traveling. But let's go ahead and get started on Bitcoin futures, since that's one of the biggest Googled terms right now, actually, is CME gap. Not Bitcoin CME gap, just CME gap. So about a week ago, I made a video, 2 videos, telling people to just buy crypto, only because it's going to go up from here, and if you're a long-term investor, you don't really care about the pennies difference now in buy, right? Well, our first CME gap here is down at 96.15, I believe, 96.75, all the way up to 99.05, 99.15. The other one we had was right here where this 3 is, and I predicted in my last video when we were right here that I thought we would be entering into a bull trap, that this was not the actual bottom for this, and that we would go up first, fill this gap, come down to fill the second one, stay there before we take off to the moon. So this was 1 week ago in this region. So I think that we're going to go up first to fill this one here, only because we're so bottomed out in the oscillators and on the RSI. Then we will go down to fill that CME gap, which will put us right against our moving average here. Even though we'll have some wicks down below it, perfectly fine, healthy to happen. We'll stay above this moving average, and then we will take off. And we can see this happen before the end of September. So that is my prediction here in the short term, And so for everyone who was following the trades and things that I had, congrats, guys. I know I was against a lot of people thinking that this was going to happen, but I try to keep this channel as level-headed as possible because I do this to make money. I have my long-term investments and things like that, but this is to make money, and these charts help us tell a story about what everybody else is doing and how they feel about the market. And everybody was ready to buy here, and I wasn't, so I was doing the opposite. So I was just kind of waiting, watching it out. We hit a 9 flash on the TD sequential. I waited for confirmation as we came up. Once we got rejected in this daily candle here is when I started entering my short positions. From here, I just think we're going to continue that plan. We'll maybe have another 2 days of downtrend, only because it's middle of the week, lots of problems with the Fed and money and things like that. So that could keep us sideways or make us go up, but with everything uncertain in money, I just feel like we're going to follow the stock market and we're going to come down to this magenta, purplish line, whatever it is, and this is just where that CME gap is. Yeah, we could overextend, come all the way down to around 9,000. 9,000 is still my lowest target, realistically, only because we're after having things like that above resistance, bull run, so many reasons. If you want all of them, I will list them for you. Just come visit me in the Discord. But I think we're going to continue back down. I have my swing low, swing high script on just to show you that these are the major points where we had highs and lows. Currently we're on a fib line now. I think that we will still come down. But to go to XRP here, ignore all these little purple lines. This is just from my trading, and I forgot to save it on this laptop. So if I delete it, it'll delete it on my PC too. I just got to change some stuff. But right now with XRP, we came out of this ascending trend line here, and we dumped down out of it, and I still think that we're following Bitcoin and that we do have more downsides to go. The nice thing is XRP has really good support right down at 21, right here at 23, and then also right at 20. Where is it at? Right here. I do think that we could potentially hit 20. My goal in my trade is actually around 21.50, but as of right now, I haven't fully decided on. I'm going to keep watching the charts. If we come over and look at my trade, we can see here that I'm currently up almost 1,000 USD. Here it shows my entry price was 24.36. It's actually before that. It was actually at 25.15. And I have a screenshot on my phone. I added in more when we were at this slip here, just because I expected another drop. So I just added a couple. I think added 1,500 XRP to my short, which brought my overall price to 24.36. Liquidations 25.25, and I have my stop loss right now at 24 cents even, which will still keep me in profit of 1,145 XRP. My goal all the way down to 20 cents would put me in profit 16,000 XRP. So that'd be several $1,000s. So I've been waiting for a good setup trade like this for a while, and it's finally fallen into my lap. So for everybody who's been sticking around, congrats. We'll see how this goes. The second I can close this trade here, I will be entering a long for all of the profits that was made on this trade. With my goal being around 32 to 35 cents before I would take profits again. Now, most of my investments and money in XRP is just sitting on the sideline, never going to be touched until we hit at least $1. But that's when my exit strategy will start to take effect. But until then, I'm just playing on the trading because I like doing this. So if that was worth it, please stick around, like, subscribe. Tell me your comments. Tell me what you think. If you think I'm absolutely wrong, let me know. I like to see other points of views, and I know I don't always see everything. So, but that's gonna do it for it today, guys. I hope you liked the content. Again, I'll try to do another video tomorrow. Again, I'm in Raleigh, North Carolina, so who knows? I'm trying to help my mom. I think we have dinner tonight. I'm still getting accustomed to all the rules, traveling, and things like that. But thank you again for tuning in, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.